How to enable multi-factor authentication in ChatGPT. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you how you can quickly enable multi-factor authorization to better protect your account. Especially if you are holding any particular API account or any premium account, it is highly advisable to use multi-factor authentication for your own account. So let me show you how you can enable that. First, go to the chatgpt.com website and then click onto your profile picture at the bottom left corner of your screen. Then from this menu, click onto the settings option present right here, and within these menu, you will need to click onto the security option. Now within the security, you can see the multi-factor authentication sector or this particular section. In this particular section, you have these two options. The first one is the authenticator app, which uses one-time codes from an authenticator app. And the second option is to use text messages. So you get 6-digit verification codes by SMS or WhatsApp based on your country code. So you can choose any of them. So for example, let's say if I go with the authenticator app, I will simply enable the authenticator app, and from here you can see that it is showing me this QR code. So I will need to scan the QR code using my authenticator app and then enter the 6-digit code from the app. And once I enter these 6-digit codes, thus my authenticator app will be successfully connected to my ChatGPT account, and every time I sign in successfully, I will also need to enter the code which is displayed onto my authenticator app so that it allows me to enter the ChatGPT. If I enable the text message, I will simply need to select my country code and my mobile number, and I will need to verify with an OTP. And after that, your mobile number will be successfully linked with your ChatGPT account, and every time you will log in, you will first receive an OTP onto your dedicated mobile number via a text message or WhatsApp, which you will need to enter in order to get access to your ChatGPT account. So that was all about setting up the MFA or the multi-factor authentication. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.